Alright, so I want to try my hand again at an American lock. Sorry for the background noise with the girls in the background, but I already picked that, so I'm going to try my hand at a 6-pin. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo here. Let's see if we can make this happen. Got my pre-made hook that I always have a lot of good luck with. Let's get it in here and see if we can pick an American lock with bobby pins. Good click. Good click. Good click. Good click. I'm not sure about that one. I'm not saying that this is going to be pretty, but I'm curious. I did the 5-pin, so let's see if we can get a 6-pinner. I think that was a good click. Come on, not getting much of anything here. There we go, good click. Yeah, try to keep it in view, watching what I'm doing with the camera. Okay, something. First pin, good click. Not sure about that. Good click. Good click, I think. Good click and full set. Oh, okay. I have to get my finger a break here. Oh, good rotation. Oh, shit. Got it. Holy Hannah. That's just crazy. Bobby pin, baby.